Namaskar, welcome to weekly weather discussion. So in this video we will see what was the major weather features during this week and what are the forecast for upcoming next 2 weeks. So if we see the salient observed features for the week ending yesterday 12th March. So a western disturbance moved across extreme northern parts of India during 9 to 12 March and it caused light to moderate rainfall or snowfall over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh during 10 to 12 March and Uttarakhand on 11th and 12th March. There is a movement of a trough in easterly towards South Tamil Nadu coast which caused heavy to very heavy rainfall over South Tamil Nadu coast on 12th March. And thunderstorm with lightning recorded at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, East Assam on 6th March, Himachal Pradesh on 11th March, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal on 11th and 12th March, Uttarakhand and Lakshadweep on 12th March. And severe heat wave to heat wave conditions prevailed at isolated places over Saurashtra and Kutch during 10 to 12 March and over Gujarat region on 12th March. And if we see the weekly average minimum temperature, it was below normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over parts of north, central and eastern India and nearly normal over remaining parts of the country during the first half of the week. And it was above normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over parts of northwest and north India and nearly normal over remaining parts of the country during the second half of the week. And if we see the weekly average maximum temperature, it was above normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over western and central parts of India and near normal over remaining parts of the country during that second week. If we see the salient features of week first forecast, that is for 13th to 19th March. So major weather system will be a western disturbance which is already has a cyclonic circulation over Afghanistan in lower and middle tropospheric levels, as well as one cyclonic circulation lay over southwest Rajasthan at lower tropospheric. So under its influence, light to moderate rainfall or snowfall accompanied with thunderstorm and lightning likely over that western Himalayan region like Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand during 13th to 16th March. Apart from that, isolated light to moderate rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm and lightning likely over Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan during 13th to 16th March and East Uttar Pradesh on 15th and 16th March. Isolated heavy rainfall and snowfall very likely over Jammu Kashmir region on 14th and 15th, Himachal Pradesh on 15th and 16th and Uttarakhand region on 16th March. Another system is a cyclonic circulation over East Bangladesh as well as a trough in westerly and lower tropospheric levels over this region. So under its influence, isolated heavy rainfall or snowfall very likely over Arunachal Pradesh during 13 and 14 March as well as 16 and 17 March and over Assam on 13th March. Isolated hailstorm also likely over Assam and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura area on 14th March. And if we see the heat wave condition, it is likely at isolated places over Gujarat state and southwest Rajasthan on 13th March, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh on 13th and 14th March, Odisha during 13th to 17th March and Jharkhand during 14th to 17th March and Gangetic West Bengal on 15th to 17th March. Warm night conditions very likely to prevail in isolated pockets of Odisha on 15th and 16th March. And if we see the salient features for second week forecast, means 20 to 26 March. So under the influence of western disturbances, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall or snowfall is likely over western Himalayan region during some days of the week. And light to moderate rainfall is also likely over east and northeast India, including Odisha, Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal during first half of the week and south peninsular India and central India during some to many days of the week. And there is low to moderate probability of heat wave conditions over south Rajasthan, Gujarat and Odisha during some days of the second week. And if we see the extended range outlook for cyclogenesis, so there is no likelihood of cyclogenesis over the North Indian Ocean during next 2 weeks. And if we see the past observed rainfall at meteorological subdivision scale for past week as well as seasonal accumulated, so during past week that all India rainfall was below 68% below normal. But if we see the seasonal departure, it is below 34% for all India. And if we see the 4 homogeneous region wise, then as well as that country wise, so for this week for East and Northeast India it is below 75% of normal rainfall. Northwest India it is below 76%. In Central India no rainfall occurred, so it is 100% below normal, and South Peninsular India it is 8% above normal. But if we see the season for post monsoon season starting from 1st March, so as India as a whole it is below 34% of below normal rainfall activity. And if we see, it is the minus 61% for East and Northeast India, minus 19% for Northwest India, and Central India it is around minus 100%. For South Peninsular India it is positive plus 20%. So that's all for this week. Please keep watching our daily video. Thank you.